This Mediterranean salad is packed with all kinds of vegetables and a delicious dressing, and it's the perfect side dish for any main dish. Hi, I'm Shadi with Unicorns in the Kitchen. Let's make some Mediterranean salad. To make this salad, we need a few ingredients including cucumbers, onion, tomatoes, parsley, lemon, artichoke hearts. I love using marinated ones. Some Kalamata olives, make sure they're pitted, garlic, and spices including salt, pepper, and sumac. Let's make the salad. To make this salad, I usually cut the cucumbers into half moons. You can also cut them into chunks if that's what you prefer. My preference for salads is always to use either Persian cucumbers or mint cucumbers, reason being they're crisper and just more delicious in my opinion. But if they are not available, English cucumbers would work just fine. As for the red onion, I love to thinly slice these. I don't like to chop them finely. The color is just too nice to hide. But if you like, you can also chop them. Okay, I've separated all of these and I'm gonna move them to my bowl with the cucumbers. When I prepare tomatoes for this salad, I like to take the seeds out because they tend to just release too much juice. So I just take all of these out. I've chopped the tomatoes completely. As you can see, I have removed all the seeds. And now I'm gonna transfer them to the salad. As for the marinated artichokes, I just cut them in half or thirds if they're too big, like the other ones over here, like this one. These add so much flavor to the salad. I like using the jarred ones that come with like a flavored olive oil, but canned ones work just fine. I'm going to add these to my salad as well. The last bit of our chopping is going to be the parsley. It adds such fresh flavor to the salad, but you can also use other herbs such as green onions, maybe a little cilantro or tarragon, or even fresh mint. They all work very well. I have my parsley ready as well. Okay, the final steps of the salad is going to be the Kalamata olives. We have our spices here. Sumac makes this salad so delicious. Some garlic, extra virgin olive oil, a good glog, and finally freshly squeezed lemon juice. Now let's mix the salad together. Look at those colors, isn't that nice? This would make a very nice side dish for grilled meat or just some baked chicken, lamb, kebabs, anything, even rice dishes. This would just be really nice. Okay, everything is flavored really well with the spices and olive oil and the lemon juice. Now it's time to serve and eat. Okay, I've plated the salad and I'm so ready to dig in. Get a little bit. So good. The lemon and the olive oil, the sumac, and all of it together just adds so much flavor to the salad, and all the ingredients, they complement each other really well. They go so well together, and I bet this would be a great side for grilled dishes or rice dishes or anything like that. Now, if you give this a try, don't forget to give us a like and a comment and let me know how you like this. See you next time.